Please don't throw away your sourdough discard because it makes the most incredible chocolate bread. And the best part, this loaf comes together in one bowl with almost no effort. Using a spatula, gently bring everything together into a shaggy dough. I also love using a silicone dough scraper here because it makes it really easy to clean the sides of your bowl while you mix. Just make sure all of the flour and cocoa powder are hydrated. Cover the bowl and let the dough sit somewhere warm for 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. About 45 minutes before you want to bake, place a Dutch oven into your oven and preheat it to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the dough has doubled, tip it onto a lightly floured surface and gently bring it into a rough, round shape. Don't stress too much about this step. It's meant to be a rustic loaf, and the dough can be a little sticky. Place the dough onto parchment paper, score the top with a razor or lame, and then carefully lower it into your hot Dutch oven. Bake with the lid on for around 30 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Then remove the lid and bake for another 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit until the crust is set. Let the loaf cool on a wire rack for at least an hour before slicing, if you can wait that long.